bag yesterday. She was my bag of the day. This is the Brook chain flap shoulder bag from Coach. I got a request to do a review and what fits, and so that's what we're going to be doing in this video. We're just going to be going over what this bag is and a quick review of her and show you what fit in her and what I was carrying yesterday. But welcome in. So with that out of the way, let me just go over this bag briefly. This is the again, Coach Brook chain flap shoulder bag. She is stunning and suede. The current price is $275. Although today when I was looking, I saw that Dillard's have some of the colors in suede on sale. The price looked pretty good. If there's any left, I'll look before I upload this video. I will link it in this video. Okay, but this bag is beautiful. She comes with two straps, this chain strap and this shoulder strap that is adjustable. And when we get to the part where I'm gonna show you what she looks like on me, I will show you the adjustability of the strap. It is stunning. Really good handle strap this strap has. She has one exterior back pocket. It's pretty generous. I have my phone back here yesterday, so you can put a phone back here or keys if you like. But yeah, so she opens up into this flap. She has this flap closure here, so she opens up into one spacious compartment. I love it. And she's got a back zip pocket, the zipper back here, back zip pocket, pretty nice size. This open compartment, which can fit a lot of stuff, so I'll show you. On this side, she has 3 built-in credit card slots. I hope you can see this. Hopefully if you can see this. 3 credit card slots here. That's already built in. Yeah, and the interior, the lining feels like suede. It's very luxurious in how it feels. I love it. Yeah, this bag is stunning. Yeah, so yeah, she does have the hang tag. All of Coach handbags come with the tags, hang tags. And again, this chain. This bag is so pretty, friends. So we're gonna go into the what fits right now, okay? Oh, please. So the bag comes with this strap, this shoulder strap that can be converted into a longer crossbody strap. So this is it as a shoulder strap. She's pretty, so nice. Again, when I was wearing her, I did not have the longer strap. I just have this strap, and this is how I carry the bag without this strap. Actually, I can just remove it right now, show you what she looked like when I carry her. So that's kind of how I carry the bag when I had her on yesterday, just like that. So when I put the longer strap on, the design of this bag is just so nice. And so wait till you see how we do it. So there are 2 buttons on the sides here of the bag. So you just if you snap the button and then just pull the strap out until you snap it. So we unsnap the button and just pulled it up, and now she's a crossbody. Super cute. I like where the crossbody hits on me. It's perfect. On taller folks, on taller ladies or gentlemen, it might just be more of a shoulder bag. You can still, even at when the strap is extended, you can wear her as a shoulder bag. I like this length as a shoulder bag. I could do this. I could pull this off. So on taller people, this is the shoulder. You can wear her like this. On shorter people like me, I carry this. I can carry her as a crossbody. Look how stunning this bag is. She is so fabulous. Love it. So yeah, so she comes with this strap and crossbody strap, so nice. I love this. Yeah. Very practical and functional bag. Okay, let me try to show you the built-in credit card slot. That's what I was talking about. I didn't know if you could see it, how well you could see it before, but yeah, and that's the inside of the bag. It's quite generous. So I'm just gonna put the things that I was carrying yesterday in this bag, okay? There are just some things that are essential. So again, this bag has got 3 card slots, but I carried this Coachtopia wallet yesterday. That's what I had in here. Of course, y'all know I have this with me. I have to have Vaseline with me every time, hun. In every single bag, I got my Vaseline. I had my AirPods. I had to have that with me. I have my house keys, and this is my portable charger. Had that. So I could have added more things, but that's everything I was carrying yesterday. Let me put my keys back in here. And like I said, my phone was in the bag. Just want to try to fix this to look a little better. See if we can go this way. Oops, sorry. That's what I had in here. And she closed just fine. No issue. And you can put your phone back here. So pretty. And of course, y'all know I have my hand sanitizer. Excuse me. What? Hand sanitizer. My purse charm attached to her. Sometimes I put a hand sanitizer in here, but I will show you what was inside of this little charm yesterday. This is from Marc Jacobs. So what I had in here yesterday, let me just show you. So I had mine lip gloss in here. I had a purse perfume in there. Y'all know I wear eyelashes, so again, I have one of these little babies with me, so that was in there. But sometimes, so that's what I had in here. I wanted to keep everything the way I had it yesterday, just to show you what I had with me yesterday when I carried the bag. But sometimes what I put in this Marc Jacobs, this thing is stunning. I know I keep raving about the Marc Jacobs this bag charm. This thing is so stunning. But that's what I had. And yesterday, when I was carrying my bag, this is what I had on her. And okay, I want to try a slightly bigger wallet in this bag. So I have this here. This wallet is from the outlet. So it's a lot bigger. So if I was carrying that in here, let's see. I'm gonna take let's try that. It's big. And then I'm gonna put my Vaseline. That's a bigger wallet. So what else could we do? Sorry. This got some purse perfume and spoolie and a lip gloss in it. So I'll just show you what's in it. Sorry. I'm gonna try this thing. So yeah. So I put that in there. Just trying to see. My AirPods. Let's try that. We know I must always have my Vaseline, so that's with me. So let's try that. My keys are bulky, but let's see. The wallet is, yeah, it might be a little tight if I put my keys in there. I probably would not carry that wallet, but just for people that like to use larger wallet. Oh yeah, it is gonna fit, but it's just gonna be a little snug in there. Yep, so she closes. She does fit. Not bulky. I mean, there's no bulging at all. She closes nicely. But this wallet is quite big. That was a bigger wallet. Maybe if we use something like this, like a zippy or card case, like so it's one of those type of things. Actually, why don't we see if I can try the Coachtopia card case plus this, you know, card zippy card slot thing. I don't know what you call that thing. So we're gonna put that there. My AirPods. Oh, my AirPods is already in there. I didn't realize it was there. So my AirPod and my Vaseline. Y'all know Vaseline has to come with me. Vaseline is a non-negotiable. So if I have those there, I don't know if my keys will fit, but let's try it. I don't know. Because my keys bulky. If you had less bulkier keys, it would be absolutely no issue. So my keys, I think it's gonna fit. Oh yeah, easy, no problem. It looked like it was gonna be too bulky there, but yeah, fits. And you heard it snap closed. This bag is good. Okay, this bag is really good, friends. Yeah. And again, I think I said at the beginning that Dillard's, it looked like Dillard's had a few of the colors in suede on sale. This bag is so stunning. I'm looking to add the Loved Denim version. They came out with this in a Loved Denim not very long ago, and Dillard's got that bag. It's the same price, $275. I'm really thinking very hard about getting a Loved Denim. You'll know how much I'm into denim bags. Yeah. Okay. So I hope this is helpful to my friend who asked me to show what could fit in this bag, and and what I carried yesterday. But I thought that just having this addition here, this little thing carry some extras for me. So that's what you can do sometimes with the if your bag, if you're carrying a smaller bag, I like to carry a charm or something like this that can hold something else, like a hand sanitizer or an AirPod. But yeah, that is it, my friends. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please like the video and subscribe, share it if you don't mind. It does help me out. Thank you. Bye now.